Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. So we're gonna be. I'm excited to talk to you about this platform called Wave Video, and this platform here is a video editor and video hosting and live streaming. So it's a really great place for you to get started. And what I like about this one is that it's a free. There's a free plan on here that you can try out to make the thumbnail, to have access to 2 million SS of video and images on here, so which is a lot. Look at this. Check this out. What is this here? Stock video. Okay, so I guess in the free plan they only give you 2 mil of stock images. Okay, in the higher tier, which is right here, creator and a business plan, you get 200 mil. Oh, that's really crazy. They have free video, audio clips, and photo images. Some premium stock access. I guess you have to pay extra if there's some of them in there, but they have some of the free one in there, and I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside of this tool. Okay, let's check it out. So here's the inside of how the Wave video looks like with their video templates here. And you can do stream recording, or you can do your own project of uploading it here. So I did upload something here, and I was doing something with this video here. Where was I? Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, so I was working on this and just, oops, there we go. It's not been published yet. Okay, that's fine. So it's you can click on here to start editing the video, and you can do as a landing page. You can preview it. You can embed it into another website, another email, or it could be a social media, I believe, like a post or something. You can do an email campaign. You can check the analytics, unique play, and see how many people have been playing it and all that stuff. You can download the video and audio, publish. Okay, so it has a lot of different usage on here. And the thing I like about it is you can also do a password on here. Okay, you can do embedded on X, Y, and Z. Just copy the code, and I believe you can get on my plan I get 200 embedded codes, but you can preview it, things like that. Now I want to go to editing. I just want to show you how it looks like with the editing tools, because I want to show you the stock images that has in here, which is really amazing. So I want to show you a little bit of the tools that you have. It's not just going to be hosting your video for you, it's also helping you to editing it and resizing it to the size that, for YouTube, it has all these stories, reels, it has vertical, it has square. I guess YouTube is horizontal, and square for Facebook, Instagram, story here for the reels, Pinterest, and all that stuff. So this is really amazing. And you can also do different brand here too, switching from one brand. So you have different folders for each of the brand. I just say you're doing it for a client of yours, and some of the video you go and put it in here. You want to put watermarks on there, you want to put overlays on there, and stickers. You want to put some text on there of like your shows is live at this time, X, Y, and Z, or it could be like pay webinar or something, or free uh, workshop, etc. And I want to show you the templates. Right, check out the template. It takes a minute to load. This is a different templates on here. They have new template, Valentine video, most popular, uh, offer sales, and they have a lot of different templates. Okay, this is just some of the template collections, and it's categorized by the trending, the live streaming, and the social media ads. Okay, that's how many it has in there. User cases, holidays. You can just pick. Let's just say that the Easter is coming up, or like Christmas coming up. You just click on one of these, for example. Let's just check it out and see. Yeah, they have some of these templates for you, and they have stock images for you. They have videos for you, intro and outro. Uh, Customize it so that it helps you to cut the time down to half. So let's check out the stock and uploads. You can upload your videos on here. Let's just say upload, purchase, library, my projects, things like that. You can click here to upload and put it into certain folders. So yeah, so this is some of the, I just want to show you, let's click on library and see what it says. Let's click on some of these technology. Okay, let's say that you're into technology. This is what a part I want to show you. See, it has free right here. Free, all the technology here is free. There's nothing is charging. There's 11,000 of these. If you want, these are mainly just video. I'm clicking on images, then I go to 50,000. Okay, if you just want images, you can click on that, and then you can go back to category. But this is how much it has in there. If you want to just narrow it down to the free and to the videos or to the images. I'm more into the videos, so I'm just going to click on like that. And you can go back to the category earlier. If you're into traveling, let's check it out. Free, these are the video. You have a lot of stock video within this platform here. You don't have to buy any extra here. You just have to scroll it down and check it out. Yeah, look at all that stuff. And let's check out the images and video. Look at that. It's almost 100K. There's so many different ways in here. Okay. And then let's go back to another category. Okay, hold on. Let's check it out. Let's drag it down. Okay, colors, spring, summer. I guess it's more into that. People, real estate, people, travel. It has a lot. People, maybe. Okay, let's just say you're into people. Yeah, it has a lot. Look at that. Yeah. So it's so many. So just say just video. Okay. You have tens of thousands of videos on here. And if you just need a handful, I think, yeah, every month you get a chance to just go in and get all these videos. And this is just a sample of what I want to show you of the pricing here. But I believe that the higher tiers plan, you can do editing, video, thumbnail maker. You can do a lot on here. Text to speech, share, locked in, all that stuff. So this is something that helps you to have a team member to go in and do all this work for you. They have caption and subtitles with the higher tier plan. See that? Captions, stylish caption and subtitle. And the business one has automatic stylish caption and subtitle for you. They have camera share per guest, watermarks, basics permission, advanced permissions, video hosting. You can, yeah, look at all that stuff in there. Traffic. You can kind of how much storage it has. And so yeah, definitely check it out. I really hope that you find it helpful. You can, with any plan, you can create unlimited number of video. On every plan, you can publish the video directly to your social platform. With any plan, you can download the video into MP4 directly from your computer. Yeah, there's storage limit. Yeah, there's storage limit on here. But honestly, with the free plan, that they're being very generous with 10 gigabyte there, because honestly, I think it's just awesome to be able to create something just for free. Even let's just say you don't really care about the watermarks and stuff like that. It's definitely something you can play around just to learn the basic of how to create it, just to save you some time later on when you have a pay plan. It'll be faster and you can play around. So I hope you have a chance to check it out to see what this has to offer. They have one camera and screen share per guest. Okay, so 5 embeds and then gigabyte traffic. All right, so just this isn't live streaming. This is something new here. YouTube live streaming. They have overlay template. Look at how many different template it has. Countdown. It has a starter, start soon screen. They have YouTube video. They have a lot of different template for you for ads. Let's just say you want to create a YouTube ads or you want to Facebook ads or something like that. You can definitely check this out and testimonial ads, testimonial and to add into your ads, holiday frame. So yeah, a lot more. You click on all this, see all templates. Yeah, it's all included into the plan. Look at that. Yeah, mystical. Intro and outro. Wow, look at that here. It's very beautifully designed. And save you some time. Let's just say that you just want something simple. You can, instead of paying somebody to do the intro outro for you, you can definitely go in here and pay for the one of the plan here, and then you can definitely uh, check out the just $20 instead of paying somebody for that. Okay, I hope that you find it helpful, and um, if you think it's something that gonna help you to save time in creating videos on YouTube, and if you want to, I think there's a lot of motivational, or it could be different platform on YouTube that they different channel on YouTube that using some of these to help them grow their YouTube channel faster if you do more of these B-rolls here. Okay. And definitely you can also do it for clients. Let's just say your clients or your friend or your other people who are willing to pay for you on this one. You can go to Fiverr and Upwork and see if you search for the job they're looking for. They want you to do video for their business and do motivational business, or you can create your own YouTube channel and start going from there with, or you have a food blog, okay? You can go into these one here. Look at this. Look, 80,000 free images included in here. So I don't know what else to tell you. It's really beautiful images in here. Very sharp, very details. What is that? Oh, okay. Yeah, so all these, and if you're into videos for your YouTube right here, it's really great. Okay. So let me know what you think. I know I talked a lot before about Jasper Art, where you can create art yourself, but it takes time to go in there and create art on Jasper Art. So if you want some videos already pre-made for you, or some images already created for you, definitely check this platform out, this tools out, so that it helps cut your time into half or a lot more. Okay, or you can outsource it to somebody to create or to collect some of these to make the videos for you. You have to give them some access into it, and they can help you do the motivational videos for you, or update your blog with these images here. And they have all that included in this plan, in this platform here as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'd love to hear what you have to say and what you tried, how you go about making money online. And I'll see you in the next video.